Good morning, children. Welcome to the chemistry online session. Hope all are doing well. In the last class, we were discussing about physical and chemical changes. We learned what are physical changes, chemical changes, and what are the difference between these two changes. In this class, we are going to learn more about chemical changes. What is chemical changes? A change in which one or more new substances is formed are called chemical changes. It is an irreversible reaction. Chemical changes are also called as chemical reactions. So, let us do some chemical reactions in which new substances are formed. First one is burning of magnesium ribbon. Take a small piece of a thin strip or ribbon of magnesium. Clean its tip with a sandpaper. Then bring the tip near a candle flame. What will happen? It burns with a bright white light. When it is completely burned, it leaves behind a powdery ash. That means burning of a magnesium ribbon forms a new substance, a powdery ash called magnesium oxide. So the reaction can be written as magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide, that is Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Then collect the ash and mix it with a small amount of water. Stir the mixture well so that we can get an aqueous solution. Test the mixture with blue and red litmus papers. We can find that the red litmus paper turns blue. So, the nature of this solution is a base. On dissolving the ash in water, it forms a new substance. So, the reaction can be written as magnesium oxide plus water gives magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide is a base which is a new substance. Let us do another chemical reaction. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of copper sulfate powder in half cup of water in a glass, so that we get copper sulfate solution. Then add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the solution. We should get a blue colored solution. Save a small sample of the solution in a test tube. Drop an iron nail into the remaining solution and wait for half an hour. What will you observe? The solution turns to green in color. The change of color from blue to green is due to the formation of iron sulfate, a new substance. Take out the iron nail. What do you observe? There is a brown deposit on the iron nail, that is a copper, another new substance. So from this reaction we get two new substances. So the reaction can be written as copper sulfate plus iron gives iron sulfate plus copper, that is CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Let us do another chemical reaction. Take about a teaspoonful of vinegar in a test tube. Add a pinch of baking soda to it. We can see bubbles of gas coming out. This gas is carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, which is taken in another test tube, what will happen? We can see that the lime water turns milky. That is, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, calcium carbonate is formed, which makes lime water milky. From this reaction, we can find that vinegar plus baking soda gives carbon dioxide, which in turns lime water milky. So we can see that in the above three reactions, one or more new substances were formed. In the first reaction, that is burning of magnesium ribbon, magnesium oxide is formed, which is a new substance. In the second reaction, that is reaction between copper sulfate and iron, produce iron sulfate and copper. Both are new substances. In the third reaction, that is reaction between vinegar and baking soda, produce carbon dioxide, which turns live water milky. So, all the new substances are formed as a result of chemical changes. Chemical changes are very important in our lives. For example, digestion of food, ripening of fruit, photosynthesis, etc. In addition to this new substance, some other changes are also occur. They are: first one is heat, light or any other radiation may be given off or absorbed. Second one is sound may be produced. Third one is a change in smell may take place or a new smell may be given off. Fourth one is a color change may take place. And the last one is a gas may be formed. For example, burning of magnesium ribbon, burning of coal, burning of wood, burning of leaves, etc. In fact, burning of any substance is a chemical change. Burning is always accompanied by production of heat. Fire explosion is a chemical change. You know that such an explosion produces heat, light, sound and unpleasant gases that pollute the atmosphere. When food gets spoiled, it produces a foul smell. So this change is a chemical change. You must have noticed that a slice of an apple acquires a brown color if it is not consumed immediately. The change of color is due to the formation of new substances. So, all new substances are formed as a result of chemical changes. So children, that's all for today's class. Hope all of you understood this topic. Attend the test questions and copy the notes. Go through the video URL. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.